Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into TapNoon, an app that claims to help users make money online just by completing simple tasks. But is it really worth your time or just another app that overpromises? Let's find out. What it is. TapNoon is a mobile app that promotes itself as a platform where you can earn money through basic activities like tapping, watching ads, or completing small offers. The idea is to give people an easy way to make side cash directly from their phones. How it works. Once you download and sign up, you're usually asked to complete very simple actions. For example, clicking on ads, spinning wheels, or finishing in-app tasks. Each action earns you points, and those points are supposed to be converted into real money or gift cards once you reach a payout threshold. Who it's for. TapNoon is mainly targeted at people looking for quick side income opportunities, students with spare time, or anyone curious about money-making apps without much effort involved. What people are saying. On the positive side, some users say the app is easy to use and fun at first, with quick points earned in the beginning. But the negative side is much louder. Many people complain that as soon as they get close to the payout minimum, the app either slows down, stops giving enough points, or delays withdrawals. Some users even say they never actually received payments. Red flags. No clear company background or transparency. Heavy reliance on ads for revenue, which often means user rewards are unsustainable. Many reviews online mention payout issues and potential time wasting. Recommendation. So here's my recommendation. TapNoon might be entertaining if you just want to kill time. But if your goal is to seriously make money, this app probably isn't worth it. There are too many complaints and red flags to fully trust it. If you want real income, focus on more reliable platforms instead of apps that pay pennies for endless tapping. So that's my TapNoon review. Let me know if you've tried it in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more reviews like this one.